So explain, what do you think is going on right now?
There was a technical issue at New York Stock Exchange and also NYSE Market, their smallest exchange. They had to halt trading on those exchanges.
At 11:32 this morning.
11:32. They were having problems before the open, but they fixed them in time for the open. And then they said everything is okay. Just after 11, they had more technical issues again, and then they halted trading 11:32. But there are 11 public exchanges in the market, and as Julie was saying, there's all sorts of other venues. These two exchanges right now aren't trading.
So, but we don't see, and I want to just continue to point this out, because a lot of times you have sort of alarmist or sensationalist people in the media that freak out around these issues, and it's a huge deal. Obviously, we've got a big red headline, but you do not see a market collapse. And it continues to amaze me that we still see the Dow only down 200 points, and it is still trading in a lot of other venues. So even though the New York Stock Exchange is closed for now 40 minutes, you still see action, and you still see relative safety in markets here.
Yeah, this is one of the benefits of a fragmented market that also draws a lot of criticisms, is when during the day one exchange goes down. We actually had another exchange on Monday. One of the BATS exchanges went down, and it didn't have any trading, and no one barely even noticed that one. The issue could come for the closing auction. Now, New York Stock Exchange is where New York Stock Exchange listed stocks typically close. There's a big closing auction. There's a lot of volume there. A lot of funds use the closing price to set, their NAVs for the day. But we're still several hours from that, and NYSE are working very hard to fix it.
I wonder, well, to your last point, NYSE is working very hard to fix it. When ICE bought the New York Stock Exchange, I noticed they fired a heck of a lot of people who had decades of experience working with issues like this and who had basically grown up down in that building. Do you think they maybe cut costs too much? Because it doesn't seem like they're fixing it very quickly, nor are they disseminating a lot of information.
You often find, well, I often find in situations like this, the exchanges can be quite hard to get information from. The ICE folks have actually bought a technology company, and they're going to be upgrading all of New York Stock Exchange's systems later this year, from what I hear, just on background. I think they're acutely aware that NYSE's technology perhaps isn't best in the industry, and they're definitely working to upgrade it. As to what's exactly happened today, we don't know yet.